Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our cooking channel. Today, we're going to talk about the most essential kitchen tool, pots and pans. Cooking surface. The type of cooking surface of a pot or pan can greatly affect the outcome of your food. Stainless steel, cast iron, and non-stick are popular options. Size and shape. Different sizes and shapes of pots and pans are designed for specific cooking tasks. A large stock pot is ideal for making soup or stew, while a sauté pan is perfect for frying. Durability. Investing in high-quality pots and pans is essential for long-term use. Look for sturdy materials, such as stainless steel or cast iron, that can withstand high heat and heavy use. Versatility. With the right set of pots and pans, you can cook a variety of meals, from sautéing vegetables to boiling pasta. In conclusion, pots and pans are essential kitchen tools that can greatly impact the outcome of your food. It's important to consider the cooking surface, size, shape, durability, and versatility when choosing your pots and pans. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cooking tips and tricks. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.